double C-H.
What?
That's my Gucci, it ain't coming back.
Yeah.
Double O-C-H.
Yeah.
Smelling like a Harry Fawcett.
Yeah.
Double O-C-H.
Yeah.
Double O-C-H.
Back when I was on my bottom, I had to lick my balls down to the bottom. She got close to my anus. I said, whoa. She came up and got to my gooch. Oh, I said, was ooh, ooh, it feel great. Her tongue licked me so straight. I said, hold on, wait, I think I'm gay. But I could swear that I'm straight cause we fucking. But she started licking my balls. I started busting cause she felt so good. I was like, oh shit, fuck, ass, tits. I went to Reddit. I went so fuck. I had to get it. But that's what the gooch feel like. If you get it, it makes your balls squeeze tight. It makes your ass clench up real good too. That's what happens when you get your gooch, dude.
Would you believe me if I said it feel good? Baby, I want you to lick me. Would you believe me if I said it feel good? Baby, I want you.
Let's not bug. Let's not.
No. Oh, my fault. That's my fault.
No, your time.
G-double-O-C-H, bitch.
CH, bitch.
I'm not going. My verse is through. It's over.